The characteristics that define a highly sensitive person can be summed up with DOES, D-O-E-S. D is depth of processing. We're deep thinkers. We think about the meaning of things. We process things after they happen. We think about them a lot. O is over-arousability. It's very easy for us to get overstimulated, and it's part of how we're hardwired. We are either born as highly sensitive or not highly sensitive. So it's not about being nervous or sensitive. It's how we're hardwired. And 20%, no, I'm sorry, that's wrong. At least 100 animal species have been identified with having the trait of being highly sensitive. And so these are the animals that survive. They're much more alert, they're aware, they think before they act. It's a survival instinct. E is for emotional intensity. I do know this. E is for emotional intensity, which means that we have stronger reactions about things. We feel deeply. And oftentimes we're told to shrug things off, but it's really hard. If you have strong emotional reactions to things, positive and negative, it can be music or nature or art moves you. Sometimes we cry because things touch us so deeply. The last one is S, sensory sensitivity. That's different than sensory processing disorder. It can be a sensitivity to scratchy clothes. It can be things in the environment, the lights being too bright, the noises being too loud. So we're much more aware of our environment. We're sensitive to strong sounds, strong smells, and it can make it challenging. It's challenging for us and for other people. The other thing I want to talk about is it was thought that 15 to 20% of the population was highly sensitive, but new research is coming out saying it may be as high as 30% of the population. And like I said, you're either born with a trait or you're not. So people can be more highly sensitive than others, but I want to be really clear that it's not about having something happen to you and then you become highly sensitive. It's neurodiversity. It's how our brains are wired. It's how our nervous systems are wired. All right, thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.